Hi there, beautiful souls. Today, I'm going to share some amazing tips on how to erase wrinkles fast, especially those pesky ones around your eyes and mouth. So, grab a cup of tea, get comfy, and let's dive right in. First up, and this is very important, hydration is key. Your skin loves water, so make sure you're drinking at least 8 glasses a day. And don't forget to hydrate from the outside too. A good quality moisturizer with hyaluronic acid can work wonders. It helps to plump up your skin and smooth out fine lines. Next, let's talk about retinoids. These are vitamin A derivatives that boost collagen production and cell turnover. Start with a low concentration if you're new to it and apply it at night. Remember, consistency is crucial. Now, eye creams, they're not just a marketing gimmick. Look for ones with peptides and antioxidants. Gently pat the cream around your eye area using your ring finger. This area is delicate, so please be gentle. Don't underestimate the power of facial massages. Using upward strokes can enhance blood circulation and give your skin a youthful glow. There are also face yoga exercises you can use. You can even use tools like jade rollers or gua sha stones to amplify the effects. Let's not forget about sunscreen. It is really essential, and not just to prevent wrinkles. Use a broad spectrum SPF 30 or higher, and reapply every 2 hours if you're out and about. Diet plays a significant role too. Incorporate foods rich in antioxidants like berries, nuts, and green leafy vegetables. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish and flax seeds are excellent for maintaining skin elasticity. Finally, a good night's sleep is essential. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep, so aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. But quality of sleep is more important, and some people do very well in less hours of sleep. Do consider sleeping on your back to avoid sleep lines. I hope these tips help you on your journey to smoother, more radiant, less wrinkly skin. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and hit the bell icon to subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. Stay fabulous. You look amazing.